Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to get OKX Wallet Address. Stick with me, and you'll get it right in no time. First, open the OKX app or website. As you know, OKX is not only great for trading crypto, but also serves as a secure wallet. If you're ready to find your wallet address, follow these steps. Navigate to the Assets tab on the homepage on the bottom right. Tap on Deposit. Then click on Deposit Crypto button. Next, choose the cryptocurrency or token you want to deposit. For this example, I'll select USDT. After that, you'll see an option to pick the network type. I'm choosing USDT TRC20. Once you've selected the token and network, you'll see important details like the minimum deposit amount, deposit arrival time, and of course, the wallet address. The wallet address you need is labeled as the deposit address. Simply tap Copy, and you can share it with anyone depositing funds into your OKX wallet. And that's how you get OKX Wallet Address. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next video.